4. You see, over there, like you did the initial shuffle.
Yeah, I didn't follow through with that.
Well, that's why I say it takes practice.
Well, I still got one more run.
Yep. You yeah, it's all the way down.
32.5. I want to get down to 31. Yeah, I felt like I.
What?
Oh, he got a.
Going again?
Yeah, yeah. One last time.
For instructor or?
No.
No, last time.
Rerun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have one more.
Okay. I'll come up and shoot you.
Okay.
Alright. I'll watch you from outside, okay?
Right.
But yeah, just improve your steering. You did a good first step there.
Okay.